For many of the activities for the rest of this online course, we're going to be using landforms in a box with actual earth materials as a part of them. I wanted to show you a couple of different setups that we use in different situations. One is just we bought this for organization and now use it for this purpose. It has no hole in it. I've put my dirt at top. I'm going to tape the things I need to the top when we'll get to that later. Another box, same idea, but it has a hole drilled in the bottom. This will make removing the water once you add it a little easier, but both have pros and cons. This one will leak. This one will not. What we're going to do first with our landforms in a box, I'm going to use this. I've put in sand, gravel, soil, and red clay. And for this setup, I actually layered them so the sand's at the bottom and the other materials are mixed together and on top. And I'm going to have it rain. I took a cup and poked 20 holes with a push pin in it. I'm going to add 1,000 milliliters of water, and this is going to be downpour all over the entire landform, so I'm going to move it around as I pour. And we'll watch what happens with runoff. Am I pouring? Did I favor one area? Too much to pay attention to. Now that it's rained over our landform, you can have the students observe for weathering what happened. Was there a particular pattern? If you have students compose their own landform in the design they want, you can compare how much absorption happened of liquid on the landform versus how much ran off between the different ones. So the way to do that is to pour the water out, collecting using a funnel all the debris that also became a part of our liquid, and you can actually measure how much liquid do we end up with, how much was absorbed. So this would work when, instead of giving the students the directions for building their landform, you let them decide what's going to be best for their situation.